Alright, so here's what happens. So I hit this ball from up here, down this ramp, and it rolls down and lands in this cup right here. This cup is attached to this other cup by this little lever pulley system. Another car is under this cup, and when the ball lands in the cup, it allows the other cup to rise, and the car slides down this incline and hits these decks of cards. The cards are then hit by the car, which hits this ball, which rolls down this incline and lands through this tunnel in the cup to the return button and takes a picture of me. So, the conservation of momentum is seen when the car hits this deck of cards. So, the conservation of momentum is the sum of the initial momentum equaling the sum of the final momentum. And so when the cars hit the deck of cards, the momentum is transferred from the car to the deck. And then the deck of cards hits the ball, which gains momentum from the force that was hit then. And the ball rolls down the incline before hitting the button, taking the picture of myself. Also, the conservation of energy can be seen from the first phase when this ball rolls down this plane. Some of the energy the car seems to lose is actually not lost because it is transformed into another form of energy. First, the friction that the ball creates with the cardboard transfers the kinetic energy to thermal energy. And then the ball also makes a noise as it rolls down this plane, which changes the kinetic energy to sound energy. Then the last thing that is seen in this is Newton's second law, which states that there is a certain force necessary for the ball to roll down the ramp and land on the bottom to take this selfie. So, Newton's second law says that the force equals mass times acceleration. Because the ball is kept constant at a constant mass throughout the experiment, the acceleration had to be altered by myself so that the button was hit at the correct force. The ramp's incline allowed for this acceleration to be achieved as I just raised it a little more, and that increased the force and allowed for the button to set off the picture.